Hi, Brandon Hall here, plant manager at Redekop Manufacturing, and I'm here to walk you through today one of our important departments, which is the forming department. Well, here we are at our forming department. As Redekop Manufacturing has grown over the years and our equipment has become more complex, we've added pieces of equipment to help us do our job more efficiently. These press brakes were added to take flat steel and turn them into their finished product. We added a 190-ton 12-foot bed as well as a 60-ton 4-foot bed. Now, this allows us to keep that production in-house and to control our product better. It also allows our engineers to prototype more efficiently and quicker than if we didn't have this process in-house. This allows us to, in turn, bring product to market faster for the farmer.